This is a short descriptive video of a Copal flip clock, so no alarm, no day, no date, model 222 in a very distinguished dark grey, blue-grey, I would say, more grey than blue, but it's got a bit of blue in it. Received a new light, fully refurbished by me. Motor was lubricated, of course, not with WD-40, with proper oil, and it's hardly got any discoloration, and this color is a stunning color actually for a flip clock, especially when it's not discolored. It's a very nice shape, hardly any wear or tear. It's a very basic clock, but that makes it so, you know, nice. Not much to say there. Really go working just fine. Grab a quick shot of the label there. There you go. Thank you for watching.